They talked and they talked, and then they talked some more. Bill thought that he would lose it and headed for the door. His face was turning red, he got so boiling mad. He was a good teacher gone bad. I didn't know it my whole life, but I was bred to be retired. I have a lot of hobbies. I write, I work in clay. I never realized how much work got in the way of those activities. Retirement always seemed like my father's concern. And I would humor him and say, yes, don't worry, I'll be okay, I'll be okay. I didn't think about retirement.
I've been retired for 3 years now. It was idle time that I needed to figure out what to do with. Going from working every single day for 37 years and having a schedule took some getting used to. When our financial advisor talked to me about setting up an annuity and explained to me what it was, that I was going to have income coming in every single month for the rest of my life, I was surprised. I couldn't believe that something like that existed. I've worked for so many years and had my own money. And when I retired, obviously I wasn't getting a paycheck anymore and I hadn't signed up for Social Security, so this was my only source of income at that point, and that was important to me and it felt good. It was nice to be able to have some money to spend on my own and to feel more independent.
For the first time in my life, money is not a worry. Not only will I have enough to live on, but that I will leave a legacy. I never feel like I could do enough for my kids. And now I do. He was a good teacher gone bad.
That was great. I can't believe you remember the words.